This is the problem. Solve the LPP. Solve LPP by graphically method. Sometime both solution we will get extreme. Okay, multiple optimal solution we will get. So how we can do with that? By graphically. Okay, this is the maximize means is the profit, then STC subject. There is two equation. Okay, what we have to do first, solve inequality into equality. What is inequality? Means standard form. We can also say x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 30. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 18. Okay, now let's see the points. The easy way method, otherwise see here, easy way method. For 5x plus 3x is equal to 30. This is for x1 plus 2x is equal to 2x2 is equal to 18. If you put 0 here, here is the 3, here is the 30. Means for example 5x plus 3x x1 x2 is equal to 30. If you put 0 in x1, three x2 is equal to 30. 0 means 5 into 0 0. 3x2 into 30 means x2 into 30 divided by 3 means 10. So what is the answer? 10. Now put 0 in y. There is total, it means x2. 5, only 5 will be there. So take 5 below. So you will get 6 is here. Now if you keep 0 in x1, there is a 2. x2, 2x2 means take 2 below the 18. So we will get 6. 6, 9. Now keep 0 in x2. There is only 1 here. So we will get 18. 1 divided by 18 is 18 divided by 1 is 18 only. So we got this one. Now we have only two equations. Now come, let's see what is the two equations. How we can solve this? By graphically. Okay, like here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are getting problem here, so we won't get a true one here. So what we can do is I don't have extra graph, so we can take some above from here, no problem. I'll show you. Okay, till the last one from here. If you want, great, no problem. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, first point is 0 to 10, x1 0, x2 10. This is always x1, this is always x2 and y. x1 is 0, x2 is 10. This is the x, this is the x. X is a 0, but x2 is a 10. Where is the 10? Here. Okay, now x2 is a 0, x1 is a 6, x2 is a 0. Okay, so x1 is a 6, this is the x1, it is a 6, but x2 is a 0, this x2 is a 0, so this is the point. So 1 point here, 1 point here. Draw a line and for another point write the point at a time only. It is very easy and we get understand easily. And here 6 comma 0, this is for 5x plus 3x is equal to 30, this equation, and this is the less than equation. Okay, I'll put later lines. Now let's see second. 0, x1 0, x2 9. This is the x1, this is the x line is 0, but x2 is the 9 here. And x1 18, but x2 0. This is the x1 and it is a 18 here, but x2 is the 0. Now we have to make one line. Okay, this is the graph. So both are less than. First put here 18 comma 0, here one more, so it is 9, no? This one I'm getting too much mistakes here. Okay, no problem. This point, we just want the points. Okay, so here 9 comma 0 comma 9, we just want point. Where is the point? Here the interaction point. This one line is not there. The interaction point, the interaction point is on x, it is a under 1, on x2 it is a 8.5, 8.6, and here 0.9. okay, which point it is? 8 point, okay, x is a 0.9 and y is 8.6. okay, so in this area, in this region, we are getting the answer in this region. So take the points. First take objective function. Objective function. What is the objective function? 10x1 plus 6x2. Max is equal to 10x1 plus 6x2. We have to enter this one. What are the points we are getting here? 0 comma 0, this one 0 comma 0. So start with the 0 comma 0, and the second point we are getting here 0 comma 9, and the third point here 0 comma 9 comma 8 comma 6, and here 6 comma 0. We are getting this one, these points. Okay, so enter this point into the objective function, so where we can find the profit. So 10 x1 is 0 plus 6 x2 is 0. Answer is 0. 10 x1 is 0 plus 6 x2 is 9. This is a 0. This is a 70, 54. Okay, 10 into 0.9 plus 6 into 8.6. This one is a 9 plus, and how much this? 48 plus 98, 52.8. okay, 52.8, overall 61.8, or else 61 point nearby. But I have taken this one. Okay, sorry, 36, 9, 40, 51.6. These are 51.6 across. This is a 51.6, nearby 60. Okay, here 10 comma 6 plus 6 comma 0, so we get 60. So both we are getting 60 and 60, so we are getting multiple option. multiple optimum solution we are getting. So therefore max value of z is obtained at the both at this point. Okay, this is an example of multiple optimum solution where we can get both the answers, two answers or three answers like this, but mostly we'll get only two answers. This is the way how we can solve the graphical problem.